This how to 1 minute will show you how to add the reviews widget to your WordPress website using Elementor. Follow this step-by-step guide to easily add a reviews widget. First of all, we want to install and activate a plugin. To do that, go to plugins and click on add new plugin. In the search plugins box, type here Sina and search for it. And this is the actual plugin. So all you have to do, just install and activate this plugin. Once done, edit the page or post using Elementor where you want to add a reviews widget. And now let's create a new container. Click on add container and I'm selecting this structure. Now click on widget and in the search widget type here rating review, and here you will get this Sina review carousel through the plugin we just installed. So add this Sina review carousel widget here. Once it's added, here we can see a beautiful review carousel has been created. And now it's time to edit this widget. Select the review carousel and here you will get 3 reviews. Now I'm selecting the first review and changing the review image. For example, let's select this image. And as you can see, the image has been replaced. Now you can change the name from here. And you can change the position. You can change company name. And now you can write here your comment for the review. That's how we can easily change all of these reviews. To add more item or more review, click on add item. And now you can easily choose the image for the review. You can change the name, you can change the position, company name, write here your comment. Once done, now let's select carousel settings. And here you can enable or disable autoplay. And you can enable pause on hover. So whenever you hover on the carousel widget, the slider will be automatically turned off or will be paused. You can enable or disable mouse drag. You can enable or disable touch drag. You can enable disable infinity loop. You can show the navigation bar or disable it, as you can see. You can change the delay. You can side animation in. You can change the animation. You can change the animation speed. And then go to style tab, and here you can change the image position, middle, top or bottom. So I'm selecting here image position top, and you can change the image size by increasing this level. You can add a position radius for your image, and you can add a box shadow. Then click on name, and here you can change your name text color, and click on position, and here you can change position text color. Click on company to change your company text. Click on comment, and here you can customize your comment text. This is how we can easily add a review widget in WordPress using Elementor. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. See you in the next video.